Hi everyone, Killer Assassin here with another Oregon Trail YouTube challenge. This time it's seniors, mules, no hunting, no bartering, late start in August, no medicine, and no tools. Here we go. And no trail guide bonus.
I think we ought to check.
A doctor should always be consulted in cases of concussion.
I think we rest.
What are we doing wasting time picking wild vegetables?
All right, fine.
Storm is so fierce.
About the only thing.
Vinegar. Ninja cholera.
If we'd been a little.
Ninja cholera.
I sure would.
That's pretty good.
Beacon.
We ought to consider the terrain.
What are we doing? I think we ought to go up to them and say howdy. They may be in need of help, or they may be able to help us.
All right.
You folks are a mighty good ways out. You look well capable of defending yourselves. Can't say I do. We'll mosey on, I reckon.
Let's try to get.
What are we doing?
That's pretty good. Ooh.
I'd be careful.
Uh-oh. All right, that's pretty good.
These mosquitoes.
What are we doing?
I wouldn't go.
Nah.
We ought to consider the. Sand like this turns into quicksand only after heavy rains. If we.
Oh man.
It horrifies.
Uh-oh.
Rivers like this.
We should.
They'd better take care.
Man, we did flip the
Let's
wagon
try
in the
to-
river. Better rest. Now it's getting cold.
With good care, the injured animal may become useful once.
An injured draft animal.
We'll rest. Are we gonna make it before winter?
It horrifies.
We ought to consider the.
A little fog never hurt anybody.
Wagon again. We lost a winter coat and a scarf.
If there are any in. It'll probably take us a day or two to clear those rocks out of our way.
We didn't try that yet.
If there are any in.
Ah, man.
I hate to mention such a gruesome thing.
Let's try.
Starting to snow. Oh, it's cold.
I'll admit that it's probably best for us to keep pressing on despite the cold, but I do wish we could just slow the pace.
We should take.
Clothing, gunpowder, and a water keg.
I'll admit that it's
They'd better take care of themselves.
I'll admit that it's if there are any
Mules are supposed to be really tough compared to horses.
Well, if people would dress more warmly and keep dry, they wouldn't be so likely to get frostbite.
It's still really cold though.
They'd better take...
Hello? 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 Hello?
Well, if people...
Oh man.
Let's try to.
Almost there.
I recommend that.
Whoa.
Can't make much progress in weather like this. It would be risky to continue until the snow lets up.
If we all pitch in, we can clear a path through these rocks in just a few hours. Let's get our tools.
Don't have any tools.
Maybe if we wait here.
That's not good. All right. We only had to wait 3 weeks.
The way to treat...
I suppose we should.
What's a little snow? Let's keep going.
Okay. We're going. We're freezing now.
Bundle them up with warm blankets, get them next to a fire, and give them some good hot food.
Well, we can only pick one.
I recommend...
Bundle them up with...
I'll admit that it's
I think we ought to stop.
All right, we made it. We got 478 acres. We did not get very many points. Didn't get a high score. But thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time.